On the guide page, we also have AI feature in the writing tool. For example, I have the beginning of a sentence here. I'll place my cursor at the end of the sentence and launch SEO-TXL Writer, which will complete the sentence with minimal information. The main benefit for me is to lengthen text a bit. In some cases, this can be very useful. Next, we have another feature that allows for automatic optimization in a rather unique way. Here, I have a sentence. I'll use SEO-TXL Auto on it, and the AI will generate the text, but not just any text. It will generate a fairly long text. We jot down small idea, and with SEO-TXL Auto, we get substantial content immediately. This is very practical for filling up content quickly. But beyond that, SEO-TXL, like the other AI feature, consider the optimization desired by Google. So these keywords tend to appear more in the generated text than, for example, if we use ChatGPT to generate a text on the subject. A text generated by ChatGPT is not optimized for Google. A text generated here with the AI is optimized for Google because it also incorporates the expected keywords. Beyond SEO-TXL Auto, we have SEO-TXL Outline, which provide a plausible outline for the article based on the entered keyword. We see a rather long outline. It may be too long, and we might need to cut some parts, but it's very helpful when starting to write. We also have the ability to generate questions using SEO-TXL questions. It generates questions related to the keywords for the guide and the expected word. Answering this question naturally leads to the desired semantic optimization, as it incorporates important words. Then we have SEO-TXL Rephrase, which allows us to rephrase a sentence if it doesn't quite sound right. It keeps the same meaning, but it's written differently. Finally, we have SEO-TXL Translate, which translates text into another language. For example, I can translate this sentence into French. This is very handy if you need to publish in other languages and don't know all the languages yourself. It's very convenient.